Cover moist garden beds with clear plastic sheeting to heat the soil and destroy soil-borne pests and weed seeds. Soil solarization works by trapping solar energy to raise soil temperatures enough to kill nematodes, pathogenic fungi, insect larvae, and most weed seeds without chemicals. Start by moistening the soil to the depth you want to treat because water conducts heat better than dry soil and helps carry lethal temperatures downward. Smooth the bed, remove large debris, and press the surface to eliminate air pockets that reduce heat transfer. Use clear, ultraviolet stable plastic at least 4 to 6 mils thick to allow maximum light penetration and durability, and stretch it tightly so it touches the soil in places while avoiding large air gaps. Bury and seal the edges with a band of soil at least 4 inches deep to prevent heat loss and wind lift and to keep insects and moisture from getting under the sheet. Plan treatments for the hottest months when daily highs in direct sun are consistent and run the cover for 4 to 6 weeks for most pests, longer for deep soil pathogens, and remember to rotate treated beds into production cycles after sufficient rest. Common mistakes include using opaque or black plastic, which blocks the light needed to heat the soil and leaves many pests alive. So switch to transparent plastic and recheck temperatures in the top 6 inches of soil with a thermometer. Another issue is failing to moisten and tamp the soil first, which causes poor heat conduction and incomplete pest control, so irrigate deeply before sealing and firm the surface. A third problem is solarizing around established perennial beds and damaging roots, so avoid covering perennial root zones and instead treat separate annual beds or move solarization to fallow areas. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical DIY guidance like soil solarization techniques. Our site also hosts a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and find project partners.